Welcome again, and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Now, we have a situation to share with you with a female that is being seriously abused, and we know that a lot of females are going through similar situation, such as this what this female is going through. So I'm gonna be sharing her story with you right now on the program. We ask you please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. I'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. I trust that hope and you're doing fine, in good health, and keeping safe as much as possible. Thanks for joining us once more for the wonderful program that we have here. And wherever you are watching in the world, much respect goes out to you. Those in the Caribbean and those in the wider diaspora, much love, much respect. So, the situation of domestic violence as it relates to physical abuse is a situation that we have talked about on numerous occasions. And most of the time, females are at the center of this, and they are the one that is caught in the dragnet of this predicament that many females are faced with. But I can't understand why guys in general does think they have a right to be physically assaulting females or just putting their hands on them when the relationship is going downhill. And this female is faced with a situation such as this in which she's being abused and she's just sharing her side of the what she's going through. And we're about to share her story right now on the program. But when you're in a relationship and it's becoming physical, this is where I believe you should walk. And I don't believe that no male, no matter your wealth, your social background, or your economic standing in society, that you should put your hands on a female. Despite what the problem might be, it's best you just walk away from it. And even when you do walk at times, it's hard for you to walk away from something that you have invested so much time and effort in. But the best thing for you to do is walk, especially when it's gonna be physical and you and this individual are gonna be fighting each other. And then most of the time, you might end up behind bars or you might get yourself into problems that is not likely to be anything that you can deal with in the longer run. So we're gonna just share her side of the story with you right now, and then when we return, we'll just discuss the video after this break.
I have never made a video like this, but I'm reaching out 'cause I have no other choices. I'm 30 weeks pregnant, and this is the diet, and I have another child, and I'm in an abusive and toxic relationship, and I have to get out. I have to get out of here. He broke the dresser I had. This is my other TV, which is broke. He broke the washer and dryer, and there's water all over my floor. He broke my futon. He took the PlayStation. He broke the only other TV I had. It's all my dresser stuff outside. I have to find a new place to go with my baby. He still has my keys and he can't know where I am. So please, if you can help me, if anything, it doesn't matter, please.
Well, there you have it. That was the female sharing her side of the story on Links 007 TV. And as you can see there, she's actually in pain. Not actual physical pain, but emotional and psychological pain. She has a young child and she's actually expecting another. And what is happening here is a situation in which she's caught in a web and she's actually asking for help as she's unaware of what she wants to do and she's actually unaware about her current circumstance that led her down this path. But I hope that she does find help and try to seek the requisite and proper professional help as well, because this, I believe, will damage her psychologically. And even if she does move on from this relationship, she's going to be carrying the baggage of this relationship that she once called home, or the one in which she shared with this current person. But she can move on from it, and the best thing to do is just to try to seek some sort of help, and just try to seek some sort of comfort or someone that she can level her problems with, and just try to seek that professional help as well during a time such as this, because most of the time depression can now bear down on her, and it's not going to be easy dealing with such a situation, especially when the situation is becoming so physical, where you're seeing things being damaged and you don't know when that individual will actually turn that damage onto you. So you have to think about yourself, think about your own well-being, and think about what you want, and think about how you're going to move on from this and make a brand new start. Many females are faced with this situation, but guess what? It's not the end of the world, it's not the end of the road either. Because when you do get involved with someone else, you don't know the background of that person, and everyone seems nice in the beginning whenever you're starting a relationship, then the dirty colors start to show. So you have to be extremely careful. But I just hope that she does find some help, and just try to see the professional help that is needed in order to get her over this. You can just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you felt about this story. And just always continue to support the movement of Links TV. Alright, have a blessed and productive day. Peace.